Whether you did CS or you did natural delivery, you are going to be having bleeding for at least 6 weeks. It's usually heavy for few days, the first few days. You're also going to be experiencing pain. I was offered a painkiller that was inserted inside, and this helped me for at least few days. When I don't use this painkillers, it's like as if I'm losing it, like I can't control anything I'm feeling because it was extremely painful. Although I had a natural delivery, but I had a tear. The major thing that made me depressed was that I felt I rushed into giving birth. I know that few people feel like, especially if you're newly wedded, because I didn't have time with my partner. I felt like we were drifting apart. I felt like we were strangers to each other. So I was like, if I knew it was going to be like this, I would have just hold on for a while. But then after some weeks, with a lot of encouragement and a lot of research, I found out that this was a normal feeling, and we tried to look for several ways to feel connected to each other. Now, having a baby, especially as a new family, is not easy at first because you would feel disconnected from your family, you feel disconnected from your partner, and you would also feel disconnected from yourself. Breastfeeding was also a challenge for me. If you're attending your antenatal classes, I'm sure they are going to be talking about inverted nipple. They are going to be talking about how to promote breastfeeding. Breastfeeding, we all know, is going to be a bond between the mother and the baby. When this breastfeeding is not established within the first few days of the baby's life, you might not feel that bond with your baby. If you have an inverted nipple and you are still pregnant, you still have a lot of hope, you have a lot of time to work on the nipples. Manual pump helped to bring my nipple outside, and within 2 weeks my baby was latching to the breast. Though it was difficult, but as a new mom I was determined and I kept trying. Food swing is common during postpartum period. You might wake up and you don't feel like talking to anyone, you don't even feel like even spending time with your baby. I want to tell you that this is normal. You want to just be left alone, and then you're angry at everything, you're angry at yourself. I had mood swing based on the fact that I felt like I was not making progress. I felt like I needed to do a lot of things, and I felt like having a lot of challenges fixing things in my life. I want to talk a lot about fear because even till now I have a lot of fear. I want to send my condolences to families who have lost their babies. I sympathize with you. I know it's not easy, and I ask that God would be with you. Right now, the fear of every new mom is losing her baby. Fear might make you to research a lot on things, and then one thing I noticed about making research is the more you research, the more fear you are going to get, because you keep seeing a lot of stories. You wake up all the time checking, is my baby breathing, is my baby okay, is my baby cold, is my baby warm? And sometimes if you are not too sure, please reach out to experienced mothers and ask questions. As a new mom, you should learn how to ask questions. Don't just assume. Please try to ask questions. Take your baby for regular checkup. That is all for now. I'm wishing you a quick and easy navigation during this journey. If you have any question as a new mom or you're expecting, please drop your comments and I'm going to be there answering every question. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow and share this video. See you in the next video. Bye.